Hey everyone, I'm Eddie Ray of eddieraymagic.com, and today's how-to is how to make a coin disappear by rubbing it into your forearm. And we're going to use a big silver dollar, but you can really use any coin you want. And the idea is to rub the coin right into your forearm, above your elbow. In fact, you know what? It may be easier if I can actually feel my skin. I'll actually roll my sleeve back so you can see. If this touches against my skin in a really weird way, doing little circles here, the coin will dematerialize slowly, slowly, little by little, little circles after the other, and it will actually warm up a little bit too. You can feel it heating up, warming up, to the point where it actually will kind of melt right into your skin. But you have to be at a table and seated. And here's the first thing. Put your elbow onto the table, your fist up towards your chin or your cheek. Left hand will drag the coin towards the edge of the table and pick up. It's still there. And you just begin rubbing the coin right above your elbow onto your skin. And you talk about how the coin will begin to heat up your skin and you'll accidentally drop the coin, but you're actually doing it on purpose. So you drop the coin like that, go to pick it back up. At this point, you actually lap the coin, let it fall into your lap. You pretend to pick it up off the table. It's really not there, but they think it is. You continue rubbing against your arm like this. They think your fingers have the coin, then slowly slow down like this, and of course, the coin has disappeared. I'm Eddie Ray from eddieraymagic.com, and you just watched how to make a coin disappear by rubbing it into your forearm.